Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 GMC Sierra K1500 Denali. It has four-wheel drive, 5.3 liter V8, and that is sounding smooth as could be. So I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have tow hooks up front along with fog lights, and if any of these LEDs appear to flicker, they don't do that to the human eye. That's a refresher to the camera that's bringing you that disco party. See, it does have alloy wheels, fixed running boards. It also has the power sliding back window and the tricked out tailgate. Bedliner. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and drop this tailgate. Okay, so there you see the tailgate down. And I can put it back up with one arm. It's super handy. You also have steps there in the bumper, along with dual exhaust and a tow package. All right, we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. It does have black leather interior, and these rear seats are heated, and they also have USB 2 and 3 spots right there, along with the 12-volt outlet. They also have a sunroof. See that it is branded with the Denali package, along with the kick plates, Bose sound. Here is your remote start and your key fob. As you come over here, you'll see it has 28,256 miles on this vehicle, and then you got your heated steering wheel, cruise controls, push to talk, stereo controls are located on the opposite side of the steering wheel with your fingertips, and your push button start, and then you have your wireless charging, cup holders, and then auxiliary USB 2 and 3 ports and an SD card port. And then you got a 110 volt outlet there, 12 volt, trailering controls, automatic start stop, and you do have your cooled or heated front seats controls right here. Other comfort controls, stereo controls. As you come up here, you see you have your stereo, and your sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. And then you can bounce back home. See that it is equipped with navigation. A very quick computer. There's your Bluetooth connection to your phone, and then your comfort controls. If you want to see the backup camera, we'll go ahead and pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera. As you come up above, you're going to have your mirror, your controls for your power sliding back window, and your sunroof. That about wraps it up for this Denali on the interior. Now, this vehicle does have a branded title. It had hail damage. Obviously, no airbags deployed, no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.